Hello students, this is the next video which is related with the vitamins. These vitamins plays very important role in our daily life. So just go through this video and learn about the vitamins which can help you in the competitive exams also. These are the chemical name of different vitamins. So please you can read these chemical names, which vitamin having which chemical name. The next is the deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases, it's mean when there is the lack of any vitamin in our body, and which is lack in our body, it is cause of a disease, and the disease is known as the deficiency diseases. So these are the different deficiency diseases of different vitamins. Now, what is the solubility? Solubility means the vitamins can dissolve in fat or water. So we are having two type of vitamins. First is the fat soluble vitamins which can dissolve in fat, that is the vitamin A, D, E and K. And second is the water soluble vitamins which can dissolve in water, that is the vitamin B and C. Now this is the vitamin A. Vitamin A, this is the fat soluble vitamin, and what its functions, it is helpful in immune system, it is helpful to see the things for vision, cell growth and differentiation. It is also acting as an antioxidant in the cells and helps to repair the damaged cells or tissues. If there is the lack of this vitamin, we can suffer with the night blindness. Means we cannot see during the night time. Now we are getting this vitamin from these different type of food items, which is having mainly yellow color. We are getting them. Vitamin A, this is the vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, it is helpful in the cell growth, it is helpful in the proper functioning, it is also helpful in the development, and it helps to provide the energy for metabolism. It is also helpful in the proper functioning of our brain. Now these are the different items from where we are getting the vitamin B1. Just suppose there are some people which is suffering with the HIV, diabetes, alcohol, they have low levels of this vitamin. So next is the vitamin B2. This is the vitamin which produce energy, and it is also facilitate the cell growth. It is also helpful in the proper functioning and development of the different cells in body. This vitamin we are getting from these food items which is shown in this picture. It is a bright yellow color vitamin. People those who are vegetarian, they may become the deficiency of riboflavin, means vitamin B2. Vitamin B3, this is the vitamin which used to convert food into the energy, and it is stored inside our body. Now vitamin B6, this is the vitamin which is helpful in the proper functioning of brain. It is also manufactured in the neurotransmitters. It is helpful to regulate our mood and like that. This vitamin we are getting from these different type of food items like fish, leafy green, vegetables, starchy food and potatoes and fruits, or like that. This, if there is the deficiency of vitamin B6, we can suffer with the muscle weakness, depression, nervousness and short-term memory loss. Now vitamin B12, that is also known as the cobalamin. This vitamin help to break down the food. It is also helpful to form the red blood cells and DNA. This is also helpful in the proper functioning of the neurological functions. And this vitamin we are getting from the liver, 48 cereals, fish and meat and dairy products, eggs, etc. This vitamin, if there is the lack of this vitamin in our food, we can suffer with the diseases like fatigue है, weakness है, constipation है, weight loss है, neurological troubles and so on. Vitamin C, which is mainly present in the sour fruits, means जो खट्टे fruits हैं, this vitamin we are getting from the sour fruits. You can see in this picture most of the food items which is having sour taste, they are containing the vitamin C. And this vitamin helpful in the maintain our bones, skin and muscles. If there is the deficiency of vitamin C, we can suffer with the scurvy disease. And this disease, what is the meaning of this disease? Means swelling of the gums, bleeding of the gums, and the loss of the teeth, and there will be the poor wound healing in the mouth. So this is the vitamin C. Vitamin D, vitamin C. Now these days vitamin C is helpful in the COVID-19 patients to overcome from this disease also. Now the next one is the vitamin D. This vitamin D, it is helpful in regulating the cell growth, combat the inflammation and enhance the immune function also. So it is also helpful the patients which is suffering with the coronavirus COVID-19, they should take the vitamin D also, because it is improving our immune system. Vitamin D, it is maintain the strong healthy the injury, so this is preventing from the osteoporosis. This vitamin D mainly we are getting from the sun. This is the vitamin which is producing inside our body, and if we are standing in front of the sun for some time, we can get this vitamin inside our body. So this is the best way to get the vitamin D, to stand in front of the sun for 10 to 15 minutes. Now this is the vitamin E. This is an antioxidant vitamin, and it protects the cells against free radicals. These free radicals may be which help to overcome from this type of radicals. Now good source of vitamin E, these are the good source of vitamin C which is showing in this picture. If there is the deficiency of vitamin E, we can suffer with the loss of fertility, means sterility. That person will not be good in producing of the sperms and eggs. So fertility can be lost due to the lack of the vitamin E. Vitamin K, that is the nutrient that is necessary for the healthy bones. It is also serves as the coenzyme or necessary for helper for the production of proteins that aid in both blood clotting and bone metabolism. This vitamin we are getting from these items which is showing in this picture, like leafy vegetables and like that. Broccoli also helpful to provide the vitamin K, and we are getting this vitamin K from the carrot juice and canned pumpkin or pomegranate juice and okras also. This is the vitamins. These vitamins are helpful to proper functioning of our body, for growth, for protection of the body from the diseases. So these all vitamins which is necessary for our body in the proper amount, and mainly these are the vitamins which we are getting from the green leafy vegetables, fruits, and different type of dry fruits, milk, eggs, fish, meat. These are the main sources of the different vitamins. If so, thank you students.